Where the cut waters at, yo?
Robin?
Where the cut waters at, yo? You said what? Where the cut waters at? I need one.
Bring any?
Nah, I need one right now. Yeah, I know.
Is that Osmo?
Yeah.
And that's dope.
Hey, what's up to YouTube, man?
What's up, man? What's up? We got this 1,000 horsepower.
Yep.
1,000 wheel.
Fully built.
You know, full carbon fiber body.
How about the LLCs?
How about the LLCs? Multiple LLCs
Yep.
had to be created in order to even put this car down the road.
Yep.
You know
It's actually fully built by hand.
Exactly.
Fully built by hand from the bottom.
I had all the children from China come over and build it by hand for me.
Yep.
You know what I mean? Because who doesn't like cheap labor?
Yeah, exactly.
You know what I mean?
That's what I'm talking about.
And Toyota sold ultimate reliability.
Yep.
You know, and then you get to this right here. Who buys a BMW when you can get a Supra?
It is day 2. We all just cleaned our cars. We're still in the middle of cleaning our cars. And then we're gonna go to some overlook spots. I got a list that was sent to me. We're gonna go there and we're gonna take a bunch of pictures. And then I don't know what we're doing from there. Probably go get something to eat afterwards and just enjoy the fucking environment. To be honest, this shit is amazing. And it's only the second day and there's a shit ton of people out. I can only imagine what it's gonna be like in a few days. And a lot more people are gonna be here. I fucking love this car. This is 101 right there. Oh my goodness. Alright, so heading to a little overlook right now. The views are fantastic. Fantastic. Let me show y'all. Parkway, driving through these little mountains, trying to find an overlook area. My friends are up here somewhere, but wow, I'm like astonished from the view. It's insane. Give y'all a little pool real quick. Hold up. burning these bitches up. All right, so we're at the overlook now. This was a fucking oh my god, I'm mind blown. Fuck, I can't even talk. But I'm ready to show you all the cars and the view real quick. Wow. Wow. Holy. Look at this view, man. Oh my goodness. This is insane, bro. I was stuck in traffic. I think
it was scary.
For real?
We're slipping out of the ZL1.
Oh lord, how?
Hey, that corner was crazy.
Oh, you smashing that bitch, huh?
Yeah. We're trying to get the Type R in front.
Ah. I bet Type R was spanking shit through here.
He was on our ass the whole time.
Oh, I bet. I feel like that's him and the ZL1 got that in the corners. Oh, fuck. Yeah, I know this bitch is taking the corners like a dream. And this. How'd the drive go? I bet you were having a fucking blast.
Dude, we're pushing it. We're gonna go even harder.
See, I was kind of chilling. I was kind of cooling it because my front tires are on wires.
Yeah, the Eagle F1s, I have them still.
We just went through some crazy fucking back roads.
Look at that Charlie over there. Yo,
But now we're about to go fucking go-kart driving. To go this little go-kart shit. Damn. What the fuck? But yeah, but we about to go go-karting now. I don't think I'm gonna be able to record that. But yeah. Damn. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but something's going down. Holy shit. Oh, I'm at fucking Jimmy's Market right now, and let me just tell you, this shit is fucking insane, bro. Look at this shit. What the fuck is going on? Oh my god. This shit is crazy. Oh my god. This shit is fucking wild, bro. This shit. What the fuck? I just did out water. Fuck my life. Holy shit. Oh. Yeah. Full bolts on can. They're on 93 now. Alright, little update. I was supposed to get front tires today. Called around like 5 different tire shops. I went to one tire shop. None of them had my size or the tires I wanted. Went got gas. It is day 3. If I didn't say that already, my memory is terrible. But now I'm about to cruise to a little overlook spot. I ran into another Supra that I'm following. I'm going to show you guys. I think he's a fast guy. Yo! Because his shit sounds a little crazy. Unless that's the 370. Nah, he's not stock turbo. Fuck ass now. Hell no, he's not stock turbo. Appreciate you. Are you stock turbo? You are? What the fuck? Yes. I can hear your turbo spool behind you. No, it wasn't. That was yours. That was yours.
It's stock turbo, just catless and straight pipe.
What downpipe do you have?
Fuck, I don't even know. It's a 3.5 inch. It's nothing tiny.
What?
It's tiny, bro.
I think that's why mine isn't like loud.
You have an inlet?
No.
That shit makes it scream.
For real?
I have an inlet to my intake.
Ah.
You got slotted rotor.
Yeah.
Hey, just follow us. We're gonna go drive around and see where we find it. Expensive?
No, it was cheap as fuck. It was like $300. That's cool, yeah. Damn, that shit sounds good. What the fuck? Alright, little update. Gatlinburg is fucking insane right now. It is absolutely bonkers, but I'm a little down because I did just get pulled over for having red deer L's. I'm not really worried about that. It's just a payable fine, like 170. The cop was on the other side of the road, on the other side of the highway. He looped around, cut through traffic, pulled me over for having red lights, whatever. I'm not tripping about that. It's a little fucking payable fine. But then leaving, I was going to this gas station and I drove over a fucking curb. Like, I didn't hit a curb straight on. Basically a hump like this, and I drove over it this way and it scraped the fuck out of the bottom of my car. Now I'm a little scared because after that I revved my car and this dude said my exhaust was smoking a little bit. And then when I parked into a spot later, right here, there's fucking coolant on the ground and I'm scared. I'm a little fucking terrified. Like, my car started running a little bit funky after I ran over that curb. And now I see coolant, but there's no coolant in my engine bay. And yeah. So now I'm just panicking right now. And I'm a little nervous. But besides that, Gatlinburg is fucking live right now. It is absolutely insane. My camera's probably about to die soon. I'm gonna give you a little quick preview of what's going down.